So let's coming to the topic, that is My Bharat Viksit Bharat 2047. So let's start. According to me, from here to 23 years after, India will grow a lot in terms of economy, in terms of GDP, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of IT sector. Many of the sectors will boom, but there are some of the hurdles which we have to face in this whole process. Like, for example, in this whole process we have to have a proper cooperation of the public. The public means they are the students, they are the youngsters. Just because, as we know, the youngsters are the backbone of the nation. So there has been a cooperation of the youngsters as well as the government, whichever government will proceed. Okay. So if we see the current scenario of our nation, so our nation is in the fifth largest economy. So in the 2047, it will become the first world's economy. But for that, we have to do some of the things. Okay, like we have to take some of the initiatives. Government also have to take some of the initiatives. Okay, so what we have to change a mindset. First of all, I just want to say a mindset which has been to change, that we have to take that Harar Startup, Ghar Ghar Startup. It is an initiative which was taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and in this initiative it has been told that you have to go for entrepreneurship, you have to generate employment, not for jobs. Okay, so this is the means you have to take the initiative, and like this way, as India is the 14th position in the world, so it will come in the top 10 position by some few years, and we can achieve our target in 2047. Like this way we can proceed further and we can achieve our targets. Okay. So like this way we have to take some of the initiatives, and first of all what we have to think, there are some of the hurdles and challenges which we have to face. Like for example, as we know, India is a diverse nation. So in India, as we know, there are 3 tiers: tier 1 city, tier 2 city and tier 3 city. As we know, in this tier 3 city, there are different mindset of the people. Mindset means there is a diversity in terms of culture, in terms of language, in terms of their habitual habitat, in terms of their adapting new technology, new knowledge. So there are different things. So government will take the initiative, but there is a hurdle in which they have to face the problem. Okay. So like this way, government has to take the initiative, and like this way, and the government should know that there is a different kind of people in all the tier 3 cities. Okay, so like this way, a cooperation of the youngsters and the government also required in the whole procedure. And I just want to say what we have to do. First of all, what is required in this whole process is we have to take the decision, accept the challenge, and we have to implement that. Okay, so this is the main thing which we have to do to attain the target by 2047, and we will do it. But there are some of the things which we have to follow. And there, last but not least, I am ending my speech here with a slogan, that is, dream big, start small, act now.